my marami sa classmates. Congratulations. You've done it. May God bless you as you take another road of provision after 2 years of battling head and to finally reach a stage. I'm happy for you all, guys. May ABT ulit din na kayo, ha? Pwede nang lumabas. On the third floor, Ferdy, Spark, Baby Boy, Tommy, si Kipsi, alagaan niya. Kuya Jong, si Eric, Soma ba si Dan? Congrats sa lahat. At pakiabot na rin sa mga pakiabot na rin yung greetings ko sa ating mga kaklase sa school. Na kayo mag-regency, give me update kung saan at sino ma-assign, ha? So guys, well, let us pray for each other for perseverance and strength. We always need the guidance of the Holy Trinity. Good luck sa regency. God bless. And take care.